video, we will talk about C-clamp. Paano ba nagpa-function ang tool na ito? A C-clamp is a type of device typically used to hold a wood or metal workpiece or secure objects tightly together to prevent movement and separation through the application of inward pressure. Marites ka ba?
Marites ka ba?
Want to know more? Please keep on watching. C-clamp is typically made of steel or cast iron and is shaped like the letter C, with a screw mechanism on one end that is used to apply or release the pressure.
These clamps are used in many industries such as carpentry, welding, automotive, and more. The C-clamp does this job well, and it provides a strong hold that ensures the two objects do not separate. Here at KDG, we have different kinds of C-clamps with different sizes.
Oh, papahuli ka pa ba? Come and get me!
Get me.
Char! Come and shop now! Our shop is located at Bangkal, CARMONA, CAVITE. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell for more updates. See you next video!